YouTube channel. This is NK. Please subscribe if you're new here because it's a fun time here and I have really fun content and try to get a video out every single day. Right now we are in Vlogmas, and Vlogmas is super fun because videos are posted usually every single day in December, and they're usually like some type of fun holiday theme to get everyone excited about the holidays. Today, I am going to be packing a order with you guys. Backstory, I have two small businesses. My first business is my Lash line, where I have 6 different types of lashes, ranging from magnetic lashes to the traditional glue-on lashes, and I have 3 magnetic styles and then 3 traditional glue-on styles. And I started that at the beginning of 2021, and I'm really happy about how it's going. And then my other business is a women's clothing store, and I will be relaunching it early in 2022, simply because I focus more so on spring and summer looks. So it's right now in a seasonal transition. Right now and today I will be packing the orders for my lashes. So I have a big bulk order that I need to prepare for, and what's exciting about that is I get to work with a vendor in Oakland who will bulk buy my product and then either ship them out or resell them to people in the community. So I think it's an amazing partnership that I have with them, and they wanted 50 units, which is my biggest order yet. So I thought, how fun would it be to come on here and show you guys literally how I'm gonna pack the orders. It's actually not even gonna be like that complex or anything. I just have to pick how many of each style that I want to put in my bag right here and get all the cards in there as well, and then they will actually like sort them out and put them where they need to go. So that is what I'm gonna do. And then alongside that, I kind of just wanted to like have a chat with you guys while I'm doing it intermittently, and we can just kind of have like a little session. So here is all of my inventory. So I have a bunch. I think I probably have about 200 units in this box, which is a lot. These are the magnetic ones, which come in a 2-pack, and then the traditional glue-ons, I sell them in a pack of 1. So the traditional glue-on ones, the styles are Blissful, Brilliant, and let's see if I can even find the third one, and Batty. So these are the different styles. I have an Etsy shop that I'll link down below if you're curious on wanting to place an order. I do ship all throughout the United States. So let's see, the Blissful, I believe the Blissful and the Brilliant are both 18 millimeters. And then the Batty is a 25 millimeter, and that's just the length of how long they are. So I'm thinking if there's 50 that I'm going to be sending off, and there's 3 different styles, I think I'm gonna try to make them as even as possible. So that's about like 16, that's 16 of each, and then 2 of the styles will have 17. So let us get on with it. I'm going to try my best to show you guys how I do this. I also, like I said, I do have my little postcards that I like to include so that people know a little bit more about the business. So these are my postcards, and I created them myself. I'm really proud of them. And I got them sent over or produced and sent over by Canva, but I created the layout. And so I'm gonna just have 50 in there. So I'm gonna count these off right now. want to actually renegotiate what I'm sending over, which I already sent an email right before I started filming this. So I'm going to instead do 25 of the traditional and then 25 of the magnetic, which the magnetic will be at a higher rate, but I believe it just works best for my inventory. And then also, I think it works best for everybody because then there's more variety for the community. And then since it is at a higher rate, I do get a higher revenue from that, which is great. So right now I am just putting the magnetic ones together. So there are 3 of each. I just need to organize them appropriately. That's bold. And the magnetic ones are called Bold, Bombshell, and Boss Babe, I believe. Yes, Boss Babe is 18 millimeters, Bold is 15, and Bombshell is 25. The most popular ones right now are the Bold, which is the magnetic 15 millimeter. Those ones are doing very well, which is exciting. So I'm going to make sure that I definitely get those sent out accordingly. Also for the Bombshell ones are the longest ones, and because we're in holiday season, I feel like that leaves everyone a little more inclined to dress up a little more. Okay, here's a little close-up of the bag that I just packed. So there are, like I said, 25 of the regular traditional glue-on, and then there are 25 of the 2-pack magnetic lashes, and all in the different styles. And I include the spoolies, and then I have the little cards as well, all tucked away and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I had a lot of fun just packing my order with you guys. Like I said, this is the biggest order to date, so I'm really excited about that. Things are happening, things are growing, which we love. I will have my Etsy shop linked down below, so if you or anyone you know are a fan of lashes and are in need of some new ones and just to check it out, I would really appreciate you checking it out. And if you order, leave a review and let me know how you liked them. Until next time, we'll see you guys in my next video for Vlogmas, and have a great day. Bye.